Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Easily Speak, where learning English is easy, natural, and fun.
Hi, everyone. We're really happy you're here with us today. Thanks for joining us again.
Today's episode is a very interesting one because we're going to talk about something that is important for everyone.
That's right. Today we're talking about healthy daily habits, fitness, and simple ways to feel better every day.
Yes, and don't worry, this is not about being perfect or changing your whole life in one day.
Exactly. It's all about small, simple steps that you can do every day.
Also, while you listen, you'll learn useful English vocabulary and expressions in a natural way.
So you can improve your listening, speaking, and understanding at the same time.
Let's start with a simple question. Do you think you have healthy daily habits?
That's a good question. I try to be healthy, but sometimes I feel a bit lazy.
That's normal. Many people feel the same way. It's not always easy to stay consistent.
Yes, especially when you are busy or tired after work or school.
Exactly. So today, we'll talk about easy habits that anyone can follow.
For example, waking up early, drinking enough water, doing some exercise, and eating healthy food.
Right. Let's start with waking up early. Do you think waking up early is important?
I think it depends. Some people are more active in the morning, and others feel better at night.
That's true, but waking up early can help you feel more organized and calm.
Yes, and you have more time to prepare for your day.
Exactly. Even waking up just 20 minutes earlier can make a big difference.
That's a good idea. Instead of rushing, you can relax a little in the morning.
Now, let's talk about water. Do you drink enough water every day?
Honestly, not always. Sometimes I forget.
Many people forget, but drinking water is very important for your body.
Yes, it helps you stay active and healthy.
A simple tip is to keep a water bottle with you.
That's a great idea. It reminds you to drink more often.
Now, let's talk about exercise. You don't need to go to the gym every day.
Exactly. Even a short walk or simple stretching at home is helpful.
Yes, moving your body every day is important.
And it also helps reduce stress and improve your mood.
That's right. When you exercise, you feel happier and more energetic.
I like that. Simple movement can make a big change.
Now, let's talk about food. Eating healthy doesn't mean you can't enjoy your meals.
Yes, it just means choosing better options most of the time.
For example, eating more fruits and vegetables.
And reducing too much sugar or fast food.
Exactly. Small changes can lead to big results over time.
So true. Healthy habits are not about doing everything perfectly.
They are about being consistent and making better choices every day.
And remember, it's okay to start small.
Yes, even one good habit can improve your life.
And while you practice these habits, you can also practice your English with us.
That's the goal of English Easily Speak, to help you learn English in real-life situations.
So keep listening, keep practicing, and enjoy the journey.
All right, let's continue and explore more about healthy daily habits. Let me ask you something. What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at around 7 a.m., but honestly, sometimes I hit the snooze button.
Same here. I always tell myself just 5 more minutes, but then it turns into 20 or even 30 minutes.
That's so true. Morning routines can be really difficult sometimes.
Yes, especially when you feel tired or sleepy.
So, do you have a healthy morning routine?
I try my best. It's not perfect, but I'm improving step by step.
That's good. What do you usually do first?
The first thing I do is drink a glass of water.
That's a great habit. I started doing that too.
Yes, it helps your body wake up and feel fresh.
Exactly. After that, I do a little stretching, just about 5 minutes.
That's actually very good. Stretching helps your muscles relax and improves your energy.
Yes, and it's very easy. You don't need any special equipment.
That's true. Anyone can do it at home.
What about you? Do you exercise in the morning?
Sometimes, when I have time, I like to go for a short walk.
That sounds nice. How long do you walk?
About 10 minutes. It's not long, but it makes me feel active.
That's great. Even a 10-minute walk is very helpful.
Yes, and it also helps clear my mind.
Do you listen to music while walking?
Sometimes I do, but sometimes I just enjoy the quiet and fresh air.
That sounds very relaxing.
It is. It helps me start my day in a calm way.
After your walk, what do you usually do?
Then I get ready for the day, like taking a shower and having breakfast.
Do you always eat breakfast?
I try to. I think breakfast is important.
Yes, it gives you energy for the day.
Exactly. I usually eat something simple, like fruit, bread, or eggs.
That sounds healthy. I also try to eat something light in the morning.
Do you drink coffee or tea?
Yes, I drink coffee almost every day.
Same here. It helps me feel more awake.
After breakfast, I usually check my plans for the day.
That's a good habit. Planning helps you stay organized.
Yes, I make a small list of things I need to do.
That's smart. It makes your day more clear and simple.
Exactly. And when I finish my tasks, I feel really good.
I agree. It gives you a sense of achievement.
But sometimes I don't follow my routine perfectly.
That's okay. No one is perfect.
Yes, the important thing is to try again the next day.
Exactly. Building a routine takes time.
And small steps can lead to big changes.
So true. Even simple habits can improve your daily life.
And also help you stay healthy and active. Let me ask you something. Do you exercise regularly?
I try, but not every day. Maybe about 3 times a week.
That's actually very good. Doing something is always better than doing nothing.
Yes, I agree. I don't want to put too much pressure on myself.
That's a smart way to think. So what kind of exercise do you like?
I enjoy yoga and light workouts at home.
That sounds relaxing. Yoga is really good for the body and mind.
Yes, it helps me feel calm and flexible.
I prefer simple exercises like walking or doing push-ups.
Push-ups, those are hard. I can only do a few.
Same here. I'm not perfect at them either.
But even a few is better than nothing, right?
Exactly. Every small effort counts.
I think many people believe they need to do long and difficult workouts.
Yes, but that's not true. Short workouts can also be very effective.
Right, even 10 to 15 minutes a day can make a big difference.
Let's talk about a simple routine people can follow.
Good idea. Let's make it easy for everyone.
Step 1. Start with a warm-up.
Yes, maybe 2 to 3 minutes of light movement.
Like moving your arms, walking in place, or gentle stretching.
This helps prepare your body and prevents injury.
Step 2. Do a simple exercise.
For example, push-ups, squats, or jumping jacks.
You don't need to do many. Start with 5 or 10.
Yes, and you can increase slowly over time.
Step 3. Add a short cardio activity.
Like walking, jogging, or dancing.
Dancing is fun. It doesn't feel like exercise.
Exactly, that's the best kind of exercise.
Step 4. Cool down.
Yes, do some slow stretching to relax your muscles.
This helps your body recover.
And step 5, drink water and rest.
Very important. Your body needs hydration.
This whole routine can take just 10 to 15 minutes.
And you can do it at home. No gym needed.
That makes it easy for everyone.
Also, consistency is more important than intensity.
That's a great point. Doing a little every day is better than doing a lot once a week.
Yes, building a habit is the key.
And don't forget to listen to your body.
Exactly. If you feel pain, take a break.
Exercise should make you feel good, not hurt.
I agree. It's about staying healthy, not perfect.
Also, doing exercise with a friend can be fun.
Yes, it keeps you motivated.
Or you can follow simple workout videos online.
That's true. There are many easy options.
So, no excuses. Everyone can find time for a little exercise.
Even a few minutes a day can improve your health.
And make you feel happier and more active.
Let's talk about food. What do you usually eat in a normal day?
I try to eat simple food like rice, vegetables, and eggs.
That sounds very healthy and balanced.
Yes, I try to keep it simple. What about you?
I like fruits and light meals. I don't like eating very heavy food.
That's a good habit. Light meals can help you feel more active.
Do you eat fast food?
Sometimes, but not very often.
Same here. When I eat too much fast food, I feel tired.
Yes, I feel slow and lazy after eating a lot of junk food.
I think balance is very important.
Exactly. You don't have to be perfect, just try to eat better most of the time.
Let's talk about simple steps for healthy eating.
Great idea. Step 1, eat more natural foods.
Yes, like fruits, vegetables, and fresh meals.
These foods give your body important nutrients.
Step 2, reduce junk food.
You don't need to stop completely, just eat less.
Exactly, maybe once in a while, not every day.
Step 3, control your portions.
Yes, don't eat too much at one time.
Eating slowly can help with that.
That's true. When you eat slowly, you enjoy your food more.
And your body understands when you are full.
Step 4, drink enough water.
Yes, sometimes we feel hungry, but we are actually thirsty.
That's a very important point.
Step 5, don't skip meals.
Yes, especially breakfast. It gives you energy.
But also don't eat too late at night.
Right, eating late can affect your sleep.
Do you cook your meals at home?
Yes, most of the time. It's healthier and cheaper.
I agree. When you cook, you know what you are eating.
Exactly. You can control the ingredients.
Do you like trying new foods?
Yes, I enjoy it, but I still try to choose healthy options.
That's a good balance.
Also, eating with family or friends is nice.
Yes, it makes meals more enjoyable.
And you feel more relaxed.
Another important thing is listening to your body.
Yes, eat when you are hungry and stop when you are full.
Simple but very powerful advice.
Healthy eating doesn't need to be difficult.
Exactly. Small changes can make a big difference over time.
So just start with 1 or 2 good habits.
And slowly improve your eating routine.
That's the best way to build a healthy lifestyle.
And feel better every day.
Let's be honest. Sometimes we feel lazy.
Oh, yes. Many times.
It's completely normal. Everyone feels that way sometimes.
True. The important thing is what we do in those moments.
So, what do you do when you don't feel motivated?
I try to start small. Maybe just a 5-minute walk?
That's a great idea. Starting small is much easier.
Yes, because it doesn't feel difficult or stressful.
And once you start, it's easier to continue.
Exactly. Sometimes I plan to walk for 5 minutes, but I end up walking longer.
That's the power of taking the first step.
Another thing I do is remind myself why I want to be healthy.
That's very powerful. Having a clear reason really helps.
Yes, it gives me motivation to continue.
For example, your reason could be to feel better, have more energy, or stay strong.
Exactly. Everyone has their own reason.
Let's talk about building habits step by step.
Good idea. Step 1, start small.
Yes, don't try to do too much at once.
If you start too big, you may feel tired and stop.
Step 2, be consistent.
That means doing the same thing every day or regularly.
Even a small habit done every day is very powerful.
Step 3, set simple goals.
For example, I will walk 10 minutes every day.
That's clear and easy to follow.
Step 4, create a routine.
Yes, when something becomes a habit, it feels easier.
You don't need to think too much, you just do it.
Step 5, stay positive.
Don't be too hard on yourself.
If you miss a day, it's okay, just start again.
Exactly. Progress is more important than perfection.
Step 6, track your progress.
Yes, you can write it down or use a simple checklist.
This helps you see your improvement.
And it can make you feel proud and motivated.
Also, try to remove distractions.
Yes, like using your phone less when you want to focus.
That can make a big difference.
Another idea is to have a partner or friend.
Yes, doing things together is more fun.
And you can support each other.
Exactly. It helps you stay on track.
So motivation may come and go.
But habits stay strong if you build them slowly.
That's a very important point.
Don't wait to feel motivated, just start small.
And keep going one step at a time.
You will see results over time.
And feel better every day.
Now it's your turn.
Yes, we have a small and simple challenge for you.
Don't worry, it's easy and very helpful.
Step 1. Write 3 sentences about your healthy habits.
Think about your daily routine.
For example, you can say,
I walk every morning.
I drink water every day.
I eat vegetables regularly.
Step 2. Say your sentences out loud.
Yes, speaking is very important.
Try to speak clearly and slowly.
Don't worry about mistakes, just practice.
Step 3. Repeat your sentences every day.
This will help you remember and improve your English.
Step 4. Add 1 new sentence tomorrow.
Yes, slowly build your vocabulary.
Step 5. Stay confident.
Believe in yourself. You are learning step by step.
And remember, small steps are very powerful.
You don't need to be perfect.
Just keep practicing every day.
Before we finish, let's quickly review.
Today, we talked about daily habits, exercise, food, and motivation.
And we learned simple ways to live a healthier life.
At the same time, you practiced your English listening and speaking.
That's the goal of English Easily Speak.
To help you learn English in a simple and natural way.
Thank you so much for watching and learning with us.
We really appreciate your time.
Keep practicing, stay healthy, and stay positive.
And we'll see you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.
Take care and keep learning.